smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.
An early morning road walk. I think I've got to go about a mile, but it's quiet. You get a lot of parking up here. Obviously, early Feb, nothing, but a lot of parking. Back on track. Just got to go along that path and up to the edge and up to the tor. Right through the middle of this thing of cows. Come on, you. At the top of Bigger Tor. We are close to a lot of roads here, so I've finally seen some dog walkers. This is called Mother Cap. These are popular walking spots. Some trees in a gorge. Don't get many trees in Derbyshire. Oh, lovely little bridge. A lovely little rocky grotto. With the river down there, and my path goes off there. You don't get a round stone like that with a perfect circle in the middle. This is something for a mill. Interesting. This is day 2 walking through Derbyshire. Did most of the gritstone edges yesterday. This one I think is taking me through some valleys and over a few more edges. And then, not sure where it stops to be honest. I found these walks in a magazine, so I'm just doing them. It's getting a bit cold. It's just above freezing. So, yeah, let's see where the rest of the day takes us. Walking along a ridge. It took a long time to get up it. Out into moorland. Not exactly sure where I'm supposed to be going, but I'm heading that way. A natural arch. coming down what appears to be the old waterfall. Wow. Yesterday was all grit stone edges. Today it's going over some moors. And then the final bit is coming through a little woodland in the valley back to where I started from. So just crossing a stream. Oh, so nice to be in trees. But I've seen one other person and one ranger, but it's fairly quiet. This particular route down the valley, I think you go through 3 or 4 separate woods and then you end up at my destination, Hathersage. So, not too long to go. Another of these tiny little gates. Under the railway. Just out into the open again. Look who I've seen. Hi. Last path. And the gentleman with the dog said, this goes to the village. Must have been an old mill. We've got a watercourse. Fair to say I lucked out. Last minute booking. Very cheap. We even have the radio playing for you.
Smash that like button. Woo!
Like and subscribe.